Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we're going to draw a custom Vaporeon Squishmallow. We're going to start off with the two eyes right around the center of the page. Just to start off our simple, easy drawing. Let's add in a highlight in the center. And Vaporeon does have black eyes, so we could color this in. Once we have the eyes in, let's just draw in the mouth. It's just gonna be a W, and then we're gonna give it a big cute smile and a little tongue. Let's add in a little nose for details. And since this is a squishmallow, we're gonna actually draw in the body shape now. We're gonna go on this side, loop down, go all the way back up like so, and then we can actually complete the shape by going up and connect. Once you're done with that, we're gonna add in a V right in the middle for the head design and go out on either side, and then we need a spike right in the middle. It could be a little smaller. And then we need the ears. The ears are going to be pretty simple, but just follow along. We're going to start around this part, go out and back in, and then we're going to go to these two lines right here like that, and then back into the body. And then for details, we're just going to add in these two simple lines. And we're going to repeat this ear right on the other side, so follow along. We're going to go from here all the way out to this point, and back in, and we're gonna start from here, go out, and then just connect the second ear. Try to match it as much as possible. If you're liking the video, please leave a like and subscribe, that'll help a ton. Now let's continue with these two details. Super easy. And Vaporeon does have the collar details, so we're going to add it. Let's decide where to add it. We can add it right here, right below, or right on top. Let's add it right on top. So we're going to draw a line for the color, like so. And then we're just going to repeat the shape all across. And we're going to add in these little lines to indicate the color for the body. And let's see if we can add any other details that would help make it look more like Vaporeon. I think all we really need is a little cute tail. Similar to our previous drawing, we're going to add a tail right here with a tail shape and connect it to the body. Like so. And let's add some color real quick. And there you have it. A custom made Vaporeon Squishmallow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.